Look at the wheels though. These are classics. They don't make cars like this anymore. So it didn't take long. We're about to roll up to the scene of the crime, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it happened. Literally 2 days. 2 days after I lowered the car. If you guys haven't been up to date with the content, I just lowered the M4, put it on some EMD springs, which I do have to say, if you haven't seen the last video, go check that out, because if you don't shut the hell up, I'm parked. Jesus, come on now. Bro, serious? BMW just trying to mess up my whole video.
What the f***, y'all? God damn! God damn! God damn!
What?
If you haven't seen the last video, go back and check that out, because initially, everybody knows, you know, when you lower your car, you got to get the alignment done. And you know, my car definitely needed the alignment. So ever since I got the alignment done, car's been driving so good, and I have an actual full review coming on the EMD springs, so stay tuned for that. But with all this being said, let me show you guys what happened. So as you all can see, looks good. I just need some spacers, but what doesn't look so good is that it was just a regular day, you know, a regular day. And this intersection sucks so bad because of the traffic and just the way that it is. And I leave this intersection pretty much every day almost. And this is like a place you would least expect for what you just saw to happen. I had the scat for like, I don't know how long. Scat was low, never broke my lip, at least in the way that I did with that. And let me just show you guys where it happened. As you can see, it's not even that crazy. Like, what? How did that even happen, bro? What it is because I had to speed up, because as you can see, the traffic comes pretty quickly right there. So as I was leaving, you know, I had to speed up, and I heard a little scrape. I was like, ooh, you know, because you always get like that initially when you hear a scrape. But you know, I didn't think nothing of it. I was like, oh, I scraped, you know, hopefully it's good. Got home, went to look, and that's what it was. So didn't take long for that. So, you know, it is what it is. I ain't gonna stress it, you know, it happened. We move on. You can't really tell in the reels and stuff, and like even in the video when I did the alignment, it was already messed up and nobody mentioned it. You couldn't really tell. There was one clip where I was like, I wanted to see if anyone would notice it, but you can't really tell. So it is what it is. I'm not gonna like fix it right away, because I do plan to go to another autocross event, and I got some content. We're gonna be going to Mexico very soon, within the next couple days. Actually, we got a few trips to Mexico coming, so stay tuned for that. I know you guys have been fiending for some more entertaining type content. I just been having a lot going on, you know, outside of YouTube as well. So, you know, it is what it is. But we got so much dope content coming with the M4, with the Lexus. We got mods for the Lexus coming. We got trips to Mexico with the Lexus as well. And then a whole bunch of stuff with the M4 still to do. So, you know, I'm hype. All right, so now when I leave this spot, I make sure to be extra careful. Oh, oh man. I need new tires. It's kind of weird, like, because the one tire, if you guys remember, I got all those nails within like 2-3 months of ownership. I got like 4 nails. And the last one was too close to the last spot that they fixed, so I had to replace the tire. But the other one wasn't like completely ready yet, so I don't want to spend all that money on a new tire for it, because as you guys know, these tires ain't cheap for this car. But so one is new and one is like I need to replace it now, you know, because I'm just messing up the new tire at this point. And even so, like, I probably should have just replaced them both, you know, at the time, but you know, it is what it is. But I definitely need some new tires, because when doing stuff like that, it feels funny, you know, because one side is catching and one side isn't. So it's kind of like weird, you know, like trying to control it. I've never experienced that feeling because I've never had one new tire and one old tire, which, you know, you shouldn't be doing. But yeah, no. Wow, I didn't even think of that. We're going to Mexico and I have one new tire and one old tire. And I did do the autocross like that as well. So kind of not the smartest thing, but it is what it is. I gotta get better at that brake boosting.
1 hour later!
So there's actually a little car show in town today, so I figured we'd go check it out, see what we could see. We're about to turn on the street now where all the cars usually like cruise down. It's called Broadway. If you've seen any of my videos in the past, I haven't done one in a while, but this is the street, you know, that all the cars cruise down in the little city where I stay. This dude just walks around town. Like, I see him everywhere, all around town. He's just always walking. Walks hella slow too, but you know, he gets to where he needs to be. Some old school cars. That's probably a lot of what we're gonna see, you know, mostly. That's the type of vehicles that come out. This is like a West Coast, it's not West Coast Customs, it's like West Coast something. West Coast Classics or something like that. You see everyone's just chilling, setting up for the cruise later. Everybody got their spots and their lawn chairs and everything, as you can see right here. Chilling, eating. What's good, bro? Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it. Huh? Nah, I don't really miss it too much, to be honest. I like this one right here. All right, brother. Have a good one. Thank you, bro. Well, that was dope. Shout out to him. I should have asked him his name. I need to get better at that. Whoever that was, I appreciate you. But you see, we found a little parking. See, lips all f***ed up. But we looking good. Should have put this in the car show. Should have had me in the car show, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's go check out these cars. Damn, I forgot something. Bring a little chair for my dad. It's actually a little hot right now for a hoodie. But you know, I had to wear that new 1391, you know what I'm saying? You guys can see it up on the screen. Go check it out. We got a bunch of stuff. We got hoodies, hats, shirts. But the new stuff is the hoodies and the shirts. Bunch of different colors though, go check it out. We got a nice little C6 right here. Something different from what you're gonna see mostly, I'm sure. There's a lot of what you'll see right here. My guy's up on the hydros. Okay, hit him for us. Go check out all these cars right now. I just gotta drop this chair off for my dad. These pretty flags. Now that we got that out the way, let's go see what we can see. Check out these cars and stuff. My guy Shorty right there and his 1LE. We got to get a run in with him. Got some cars right here. We want to go over here though. That's where all the action is. Red. Oh dang, this is pretty crazy right here. Nice. So drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these type of cars. I do want to go to like LA and, you know, places like that and get more exotics and things like that. That's more of what I'm into personally. But these are cool too, you know? Something to do, stuff to see. These are classics. They don't make cars like this anymore. This is pretty sick. I like that blue. Let's see if we could find something that I would be into. This is pretty clean. I like that color, it's different. When I was younger, I used to want an Impala. Oh, this is clean.
Yeah, it's kind of like a
big ass car. A little beach cruiser with the horns and all that. Oh, look at this thing. Sheesh, this is an old like milk truck or ice cream truck or something. I think it's a milk truck. This is clean. You see a lot of Mercs. Those are very popular. There you go, 50K. Check it out, for sale. SS, this is clean. This is more my style. This is what I used to want right here. Impala. These are clean right here too. Sheesh, look at the wheels though. This is clean too. Oh, this one back here. This thing is fire too. Okay, clean, clean. I think we're gonna hop back in the car in a bit and just like cruise around. See the old school Hummer. As a kid, this is where we used to always come eat, but it used to be called Ketos. Sheesh, tons of memories. I remember, like, I have a vivid memory walking right here as a kid. Because I remember my grandma used to give me like sips of her margarita. I'd be all acting like I'm all faded and stuff. Mind you, I was a little kid. Yeah, shout out to my grandma, you know, for holding it down. But man, this is crazy. I haven't been here in a while. I remember this parking lot, like, you know, just little memories and stuff. And then across the street over there, Shaw's Steakhouse. That was my first job ever. First job I ever worked. And I've worked a lot of different jobs. Never could last, because I ain't like a 9-to-5 type of individual, you know. It is clean. But yeah, that was my first job. Started as a dishwasher, then I moved to prep and line cook. I was 16 years old. Also, the car wash over here. My mom used to always come get her car washed, and then we'd come over here to Burrito Loco, and I'd get an horchata, a burrito. I don't eat like that anymore, but I used to tear it up back in the day. It is clean. Santa Maria Car Wash is what it used to be. Now it's a Splash and Dash. This is where my mom used to always come get her car washed. Across. Hopefully I don't get a jaywalking ticket. Clean. Old Pontiac. Oh, there's hella Hummers out here today. Oh damn, look at this. Got the wood grain. Man, that's dope. Just chill, you know. I haven't walked around like this in town in I don't know how long. This ain't really like a walking around type of town, you know. See something pretty clean over here. Let's go check it out. Yeah, man, this is where I used to work. This was my first job. I used to come out here, smoke weed and stuff, and then go back all blazed, wash dishes and do, you know. It is clean. Wonder if anyone that I used to work with still works there. That was a long time ago. Bike is pretty clean. This is a Lowrider S. I think this is, yes, I think this is a Lowrider S. This was the bike that I was gonna get before I decided to, you know, switch up my priorities. I was gonna add like a little windshield. It's like the new version of the Dyna Lowrider S, I believe is what it was called, if I'm not mistaken, but pretty clean. I would've got a black one. All right, back to the V. Let's hop back in here. Actually, I'm going to take this hoodie off because it is a little warm, and I'll be able to show you guys. There we go. What do you guys think? Let me know or let me go. I just wanted to keep it, you know, plain, simple. I think it's pretty dope. Pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think though. We got the F82, which, you know, it could be my car, could be your car if you want. It could be an F80 even, you know? We ain't seen the sides, but we got the G82 right there. And then over here we got the G80, which I ain't gonna lie, I think I like the G80s a little better. I like the rear end on the G80s. So who knows? Maybe it'll be the next car, you never know. 1391.com, link down below in the description, in the comments. Go check it out if you want to support the channel. Let's see if we can go find Shorty in the 1LE and mess around a little bit. I know he has some things done since we ran him in the Scat. If you guys haven't seen those videos, because I ran him more than once, go check the old videos with the Scat and all that if you guys are new to the channel or if you just haven't seen them. There's a ton of content, you know, with the Scat Pack. I know a lot of you guys missed that, but don't worry, we're gonna be getting to the entertaining stuff very, very soon. We'll go cruise around a little bit. Careful over here. We already messed up the lip, ain't trying to mess it up more. There's gonna be hella traffic. I don't know if I want to do what I'm about to do. I think I'm just gonna go this way and then I'll flip it around somewhere else. So later on tonight, they close off this whole road, and that's why everybody has their lawn chairs set up. And then all the cars that registered for the cruise will, you know, just cruise up and down. People will be able to see the builds, and they'll be sounding the horns off and, you know, hitting the hydros and everything like that. Shout out to Black, though. I'm gonna go see him in concert pretty soon. Not the biggest Black fan, but I like some of his songs. My girl likes Black and her sister, you know, so I like him too, you know. I just don't know like a whole lot of his songs, but the songs that I do like, you know, I really like. I just like his vibe, you know. But anyways, that's one thing about this type of stuff is there is hella traffic. So the miles per gallon is taking a beating right now. I think I was at like 18.9 a little while ago. Do you guys do that though? Like, say you go to a concert, like obviously it's not the same. Like if you don't know like the words to a lot of the songs and you can't sing along, it's just not the same. Recently I went to a Red Hot Chili Peppers concert, and I have some clips from that. I was gonna do a little vlog, but I ended up just like, you know, enjoying my time and stuff. That was the sickest experience that I've ever had so far at a concert. I'm not like a huge rock fan, but one band that I do like is the Red Hot Chili Peppers. They're so sick, bro. Like, and live, like, dude still sounds the same, the lead singer, and it's just sick. It's just such a dope experience. But I know like a good amount of their songs. You know, obviously there was some that I didn't really know, but a good majority I was able to sing along and just vibe out. And I've been to concerts where, you know, I wasn't able to do that and it just didn't hit the same. Like I went to a Jack Harlow concert recently as well, and you know, it was cool, but I didn't know too many of the songs, so it didn't hit the same, you know. So I'm trying to learn right now. I'm trying to learn the Black songs, the ones that I like. There's a few that I like. I don't like all of his stuff because some of it's just like kind of repetitive and a little boring for me, you know. It's a little like, but he does have some bangers. One thing I will say that we do have to look forward to is there is some Beamer meets that I'm going to be going to, as well as, you know, there's another autocross, and I'm gonna try to get Zay to take the IS350, so that'll be dope. But I want to like go, like I said, to LA more in that area, so we could get some like doper car meets and stuff, and we'll see, man. I might have to just put some miles on the M4. I know I could go to Bakersfield too and hit up my cousin. Matter of fact, I gotta call him back. But there's some pretty dope meets in Bakersfield, so I'm gonna try to do more like meet type content and things like that, you know, like bring a little more entertainment. But let me know what you guys want to see. Like I know you guys want to see some Mexico stuff. I know you guys want to see some meets and things like that, but drop some suggestions down below on things that you might want to see. That turbo lag, man. I used to be easy in the scat to just go through something like that quick and get them little pops in, but I still have to learn this car, you know, like when to hit the gas and like how to hit it at the right time with the turbo lag and everything to get the exact sound I'm looking for, you know.